Okay, hey guys, today's video is going to be something fun and fresh. This is something new to my channel, and I've been taking a few Skillshare classes, and this is not sponsored by Skillshare by any means. But for today's video, we're going to kick back, relax, have some fun with ballpoint pens, ink, and this is something new to my channel. And the reason I say it's something new is because I am doodling, but it's a different kind of doodle. It's not like cartoons or anything like that. It's just some random shapes and lines, and I've been learning this technique, and it, okay, let me rephrase this. It's something different because I'm not used to it, and it's something new. So I want to mention the tools I use. I mentioned it in the video as well. So these are the tools I'm going to be using. Just 3 tools so I can take anywhere I want to, like go into a doctor's office, or next time I have an appointment or something, I can just take this in my sketchbook and not really think about it, or just take anxieties off of it. And the pens I am using is Pigma medium brush. This is what it looks like. And also I am using, let me see. Let me make sure this is in 4K. I think it is. Anyways, not by that's important. But anyways, this is another Karataki pen, and I like to use it kind of like a bullet nib. And I like to use this one because it helps fill in the blacks and smaller details. Another pen I like to use, which is for doodling, ballpoint pens. Which is just a regular ballpoint pen. But I like this idea of doodling because it gives me something else to do in ink instead of just ballpoint pen portraits all the time. I think that's why I was trying to think about, like, oh, I could just doodle, like, in pen or something. But what am I going to show you? And I went on and on about it, like, in the intro of the video, which the intro has been so long, so stick with me. I will get to the speed paint. This is 2 types of doodling. I will do this type of doodling in a part 2 video. We're going to turn this into a series, but this is part 1. So this is the doodle page I done last night, with shapes and everything like that, and lines and filling in the blacks. And yeah, so I'm just glad I found something else I can do in pen and ink, and this is what I'm doing for today's video as well. So this is for today's video. So yeah, I hope you guys, and I was going to fill this whole spread over here with a doodle as well, but it takes a while, so I'm not gonna like make you guys sit here and watch me do a second page. But this could easily be into a series if you guys want to see 2 types of doodling, which is cartoon faces, cartoon art, the way I'm used to, or this type of doodling over here. So if you guys have any questions by any means, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I do cartoon art, doodling, ballpoint pen work, portraits, anything I can get my hands on. Let me know, and I can definitely do a video on whatever you suggest. And if you guys enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn for notification bell so you won't miss the video, and let's get started with the video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you 2 types of doodling, which is cartoons and just random doodling here. And I did a full page, and I'm thinking of doing a whole spread of this kind of doodling, of relaxation, of doodles. For that, we might do part 2 at another time, which is this one right here. But this one's going to be part 1 of these doodles right here. So I was thinking of filling the whole spread of this kind of doodle, but I'm kind of nervous about it. So don't know why. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of doodling. And I had a lot of fun doing this design. And yeah, so I really don't have much else to say, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. turn notification bell on so you won't miss the video. If you have any questions, by any means, leave them in the comments below. This is something different I've been trying. Like, I've been taking a few Skillshare classes. And yeah, so this is what I have going on so far. And I was thinking we could turn this into a series. And thinking this would be part 1, this would be part 2. And we're going to try part 3 with watercolor and doodling as well, so that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to take a few more Skillshare classes for that. So if you have any questions or, and by the way, before I mention supplies I'm using, let's get on with that. I'm using just a regular ballpoint pen. Now in the class she was like saying use India ink, but I only have like a few India ink, and I don't want to get too messy with the doodling because it's just something I could take somewhere or during the doctor's office or something. But I am using the Pigma medium brush pen. This is what it looks like for the doodling. It's India ink, so I think it's perfect for it. So this is by Sakura. So this one also I am using for smaller details. This Karatake brush nib pen that I like to use as well, so for the finer details and everything. And I don't really use pencil for the sketches. I probably should, but what's the point of using a pencil when we could just doodle away and not really care about too much how the sketch looks. This is just a freeform way. And she also has a class on gel pens and using black ink as well, so I might be taking that too later on. So Skillshare is not sponsoring this video, but I just want to clarify that. But I hope you guys, and I was going to fill out the whole spread, but I think I might do that off camera. If you guys want to see the final outcome, always go to my Instagram, Evelina08. And let's see if we can get a full shot of the page. And here is another page that I had done last night. And I thought it was pretty interesting how doodling is taking another level in my art for that. So if you guys have any questions, by any means, some tips that you want to have with doodling. You want to draw in shapes, you want to create lines, but it's just doodle for the fun of it. I mean, I've been having a lot of fun with this. It's just something new that I'm not used to. Like, I'm always used to drawing faces, and I'm always used to doing these coloring pages. Maybe this could be an exercise for coloring pages or something, or like I like to do with coloring pages digital. But this is just something relaxing and something fun for me to do. It's just, I don't know, it's just something new for me, and I just feel like it's been something missing. And I do have a few doodle videos on my channel, but probably nothing like this, for that matter. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are new to my channel, I usually do cartoon art, and this is just a new area I'm exploring, and something that I keep talking about because it's just something new. Maybe I could do like 3 tips on doodling and how I do it. And what I like to do, actually, when we talk about that, you saw at the beginning of the video that I had drawn a border of my frame for my doodles, so that way it doesn't get too crazy, and that way it contained a little bit, like you see here in the out border of the video, so of the page, sorry. So but yeah, that's all I have going on. I really don't have much else to say except for that. If you guys have any questions or any topics you want me to cover or anything like that, I'm always open up for doodle ideas or video ideas or anything like that. Just let me know in the comments below. I really don't have much else to say other than that. I'm trying to make this clip at least 7 minutes so I can have a 10-minute video. But you want to draw the outer shape first, and you want to fill it in with the black ink after, like this one, this pen right here. But I keep saying I've been having a lot of fun. Like, see, this one, I've been learning, like, a lot with bigger heads and expressive faces. I could definitely do a video on expressive faces, another time, but that's not what this video is about. What else can I say? But Doodle is like a relaxation tip for me, kind of like a little warm-up thing before the day starts, and it's just a way for me to warm up and easy to relax to and not really have to think about anything. There's another reason to doodle, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions by any means, sorry this clip is really long, but I just wanted to make a video of doodling, and I wish I had more examples, but they take a while to do, and I still have to finish this page right here. Maybe we can do that for another video as well. So guys, if you have any questions by any means, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let's end this clip and let's get on with the video.